Run, you fools! Oh. Okay. There is a mouse. Yep. An Alienware mouse. Yep. This is what I use, right, to play Fortnite with. One of them bad boys. You see the wheel? Right there? And it's what you spin around to get your Tommy guns and your health packs and your Flowberry fizz bottles and your energy drinks and your bandages and your med kits. Just scroll that. Instead of pushing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and everything on your keyboard, yeah, I just scroll the wheel, yeah, on that. So make sure you get a gaming mouse. For gaming, when you play Fortnite, it's so much easier. Especially if you've got sausage fingers like Chester. Yeah. Or, yeah, I don't know, you might be using a controller, but you know, I'm thinking that you're using a keyboard or mouse like Chester, right? And just a little tip there for your boy Chester. It doesn't have to be an Alienware mouse, it could just be a normal mouse. Make sure it's got a wheel, yeah, on there. And you'll be sweet, okay? Right, we're going to go through, right, the Fortnite settings. Fortnite settings for Fortnite newbies like Chester, yep. And you, which you're watching, you want to know about it. I told you, right? I told you I was going to show you everything you need to know about playing Fortnite. Because you want to be a Fortnite player just like Chester. Don't you worry. I'll look after you, right? It's me, it's Chester. Oh, I've got to move my camera because otherwise I'm going to have a big Scott on the way. Wait. Got to move my camera over to this side, Chester. But they're going to see what's going on. I've got over here, but I reckon that's okay. Right. Look yourself over. Here I go. I'm here now. Hello. It's Chester. Right. Watch this, right? So, it's confusing. There's so many different games in Fortnite too. Look at it all. There's heaps. Wow. Oh my god, they just keep going. And, right, but I just stick to Zero Bill. This one. That one there, right? But it's not about that right now. It's not about Big Chester, the big tomato standing there ready for a game on it. No. See this little thingy bob here? Right, I'm going to click that. And then, right, what's going to happen, right? Go away! I'm doing a video, J-Crop. What's going to happen, right, when you become a Fortnite player like Chester, you're going to get friend invites, and you think, how do I accept them, right? Because sometimes they'll come up on the screen and you can click on it while you're on the screen, but sometimes you can't click it quick enough. And this is another way to accept a friend invite, right? So you click on this icon here, on top right hand corner, and click on that one with the yellow asterisk, the second one down. And look, there's 2 friend invites there for Chester. You love Bud Unia. So if I click on it, and then I've got a choice, right? We like choices, don't we? Yeah, we do. I can accept it, reject it, or block it. And I'll just accept it. Yeah. See that? I've accepted it. Okay, and that one, right, I'll not see. Look, see that? You love Bud Unia is now your friend. Yeah, there's another friend for Chester. This one, this is a whippersnapper. I'm not clicking on that username because I don't like that username in my game. Come tickle wire, and I'm not going to say the rest of the word. Nah. So you will get, right? You get a few whippersnappers that'll try it on. Yeah. So it's up to you if you want to kick on the ones with the curly names. Yeah. I don't, right? I've got so many friends, right? I told you, right? Before I started playing Fortnite, I had no friends whatsoever. Now I've got thousands of online friends in the Fortnite community. Look at it all. There's heaps. Oh, there's so many of them. I just keep going. And this is what's going to happen too when you become a Fortnite player. All these people, right? They want to play a game of Fortnite with Chester. I fucking can't. I can only fit maximum zero build at the squad bench, so I can only fit in like 3 at a time, 3 players at a time. I've got so many of them. So, you know, don't stress about that, right? Okay? You can't play with them all, and every now and again, you'll get a bit of a traffic jam with people hitting you up like they're like, "Hey, I want to play a game with you, Spot." Sorry, you can't fit, right? You'll have to make it another day, yeah. But don't worry about that too much, okay? You're going to end up with lots and lots of followers like Chester. Right, so that's that bit, okay? So it's the second one down as a friend invite Figgy Bobs, yeah. Under that is recent players, as the ones that you've recently played with. Right, and I'll also do this. Click on that again, and go to the settings. It's the little cog wheel. Okay, see it? Where my little mouse is right now. Click that, and you get to the juicy bits, right? There's no one else, if someone else wants to join, go away! Good, he's gone. So I'm playing a window mode, right? And that's the best place to play it, right? But you can go full screen by clicking that. Go away, I'm living making a video! Mr. and Mrs. And you can play it a window full screen, but I just play it a window, yeah. Only because I live stream and it fits inside the frame of the software that I use. But you'll probably want to go full screen if you don't live stream. So yeah, you can fiddle around with that. Go away, I'm not telling you again, Mr. NT Mrs. Yeah. Alright, and then you got resolutions. Again, you can change it all. Alright? Just by clicking around the bottom thing. Yeah. Yeah. I forgot what I was on there. I figured it was on. Why was it on? I forgot. I think it was on that one. I don't remember. V-Sync is off. I don't even know what it means. Frame rate limit. Okay, that's how many frames a second your frame rate is. I've got it set to 120. If you can't get yours to 120, try 60 frames a second. And if you can't do that, then embarrassing. 30 frames a second. But ideally, right? If you can get to 120 frames a second, that's the sweet spot, right? If you can do more than that, you've got a pretty good computer, okay? Rendering mode is DirectX 11. This is on my computer, it might be different on yours, but that's what I use. Brightness levels at 100%. Yep, you can see it right there. And user interface contrast is 1x. Yeah, whatever that means, I wouldn't have to focus. And know about that one. That one. Motion blur. And that one. I don't know anything about any of that. Graphics quality is auto set. Yep, I don't need to touch it or fiddle with it or anything. Just leave it alone, Chester. And everything else you can pretty much leave alone. You don't need to fiddle with it, okay? Don't fiddle with it. No. Go to this one. Press the speaker icon, Figgy Bob, right? Volume. Okay, if it's too noisy, you can turn it down a bit. Oh, see that? Main. Music. If you don't want to listen to the music, put it to 0 like Chester. Because some of the songs, they're not really, we're too old. Yeah. Go away, I'm making a video. Stop ignoring me. Yeah, I'll just set it to 0. Sound effects I've got up to 82%. Yeah, I like the sound effects in Fortnite, they're fully sick. Yep. Dialogue, I don't know what that means. Adjust the volume of dialogue for game characters and voiceovers. I really don't know what that means. Voice chat. So when I'm live streaming or I'm playing with other players, I can have voice chat on and I can talk to the other players while I'm playing. Yeah. I want it set to 100%. You can fiddle with that if you want. And lower it. You can't go higher than 100%. You can only go less. Cinematics, same thing, 100%. Picture in picture. Adjust the volume of picture in picture. I've never fiddled with it. I'm not going to. Okay. Sound quality. High. Or low. Whatever tickles your pickle, I suppose. 3D headphones? No, I'm not that rich. I just got mine from Kmart. $29. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, background audio. I've got notifications only. I don't want to be annoyed with unnecessary audio while I'm in a battle. Subtitles, options. You've got options, chat. You've got options. Visual sound effects are on. Oh, for the you don't know what that means. Audio output device. Well, that's the speakers that you've got. Whatever speakers you've got, you whack them in there, right? It should already be automatically picked up. If it's not, you can go there and then you can change it around. Yeah. Okay, I've got voice chat set to everybody. So everybody can chill out with chat stuff. Yeah. Right, but you can change that. You can go off, friends only, yeah. Friends and teammates, yeah. Or everybody, yeah. Which is what chat has got. Voice recording, I got no idea what that means. And the voice chat method is open mic, yeah. Which means I don't have to push any buttons or anything. Nah. Push to talk, or mute to tell all to shut up, yeah. I got one, and there's my microphone, a blue snowball. Yours might be the same, or you'll be a different mic. Voice chat output devices, your speakers, yes. And voice chat notifications are on. Yeah, they're on, yeah. And licensed audio, I'm muting all of it. Yeah, I don't want to listen to music, right? See, I've even got it at 0% on Rocket Racing, because I don't even play Rocket Racing, right? Those are what you need, right? As long as you've got those, right, you'll be pretty good. Yeah, those are pretty cool settings, okay? Got me. There's nothing else here you really want to fiddle with, or except for this one. If you're in Australia, make sure you're on the Oceania server. This one. Okay? Otherwise you're going to end up in the Middle East or flipping Asia or Europe or America. And you don't want that, because your stream will be really, your game on your stream. Well, live stream would be, because I live stream, but your game will be really laggy and everything. So if you're in Australia, alright, put it on the Oceania server. Yeah, that one. And your language is English, unless you speak a different language. Alright, and then you've got all these features, movement. Alright, and I'm only using a mouse and keyboard, right? Yeah. If you're using a controller, then you can fiddle around with these things. But if you're just using a mouse and keyboard, you really don't need to touch any of it. Just leave it. Leave it alone. Don't fiddle with it. For the love of God, right? You can leave it alone, right? Okay, and you can go further across. There's not really anything else there that really matters too much. Mouse sensitivities, I've never fiddled with it, I never will. Keyboard movements. If you feel confident enough to fiddle with it, then go ahead. Presets. Alright, you can actually have your keys do certain things, you can set that up. Alright, move forward, move left, move backward, move right, jump, sprint, auto run, blah 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 blah, right? You just type in what key you want to press on your keyboard to correspond with that. With that effect, that movement. Go away, retailer, I'm making a video. Okay. This one, next one across, is if you're using a controller, okay? And the next one after that is if you're using presets controller. And the next one after that is your account details, right? Do not give anybody, right? Password. No. Don't do it, okay? Don't do it. After you finish having a sticky bacon here, push back. Get out of here. Oh, don't save it. I'm not saving nothing because I want to keep everything as it was. I don't want to fiddle with anything. Otherwise I'll stuff it up and make a mess of it. Right? So then, right? It gives you a little bit of insight into that part of it. Remember, right? The wheel on the mouse, right? That is God when you're playing Fortnite. That little wheel there. Wiggle it, right? When you're gonna pick up Tommy guns or a medicine box. And bandages and Powerade bottles Tommy guns, I said that. Fluggery fizz bottles. Yeah. All that sort of stuff. Yeah. The wheel. And the left click is the click of death. Alright, that's when you fire weapons and shoot the little weapon snappers. Right. That's pretty simple. It's not very hard to understand, that, is it? I don't think it is. I'm not going to play a game, no. We'll do one video at a time in this lesson. The video lessons on how to become a Fortnite player and a senior citizen. Yes, over 60. Yeah, you've always been checked out. So tune in, subscribe, put the notifications on so you know when Chess has uploaded a new tutorial. Okay? I don't want to drag them on too long because you'll all fall asleep while you're watching and you miss all the info and everything. Okay. So I'll do another video and keep adding them to this new playlist I'm creating, okay? So that covers that. Alright. I'll be back. Run, you fools! Oh. It's Chester. I'll see you soon with another video. Thanks for watching.